Okay, now we finish all the knots. So what I did, I just put them close to each other, so it has like a lot of nice texture. But if you don't like the French knot, you are free to just add a outline there, so don't worry if you don't want to do it. So now we're gonna add something very fun, which are like some little like seed stitch, so like little dots. So we're gonna thread our needle the same, and we're gonna just add here little dots like that, like a basic stitch, but just very little. I'm doing them like not super close to each other, but you can put them even closer. But yeah, it's like a little details to fill in these leaves of the, no, sorry, petals, wanted to say, the petals of our rose. So it's a nice addition for any embroidery piece too.